Alright, Fallen Skies Homestead Preparedness Channel. These brothers are really getting it done. You can just see from last, let's see, this is the third day. So they've gotten this up and they repaired a whole bunch of stuff in the basement. So this is really good. Yeah, hopefully I can get back to gardening soon, but yeah, they're getting it done. So they dropped off the siding at 4 o'clock in the morning, so I had to help them unload the siding. And they're going to be dropping off the fascia boards and the soffits. They'll be dropping that off later on. I don't think we're going to be able to do anything tomorrow if it starts to snow. But I also got some issues at the other house I got to go and take care of. So we're working on it. Fallen Skies Homestead Preparedness Channel, over and out.